Hello, welcome to Mart Knowledge Base Website Designing Series. In this series, we are looking at hosting, domain, themes, and plugins. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and use the notification icon so that you don't miss any of our series. First of all, what are these things? Hosting provides the space for you to store data, your files on the internet, whereas domain is your unique identity, your name, your business name, your address that is not easy to duplicate. Now we'll look at how you can buy your domain for free, and then how you can get your hosting. Then when we talk about themes determine how your website look like, the appearance of your website, the look of your website. So we have themes, and then we also have plugins. Plugins also are very important because they determine the function your website can perform. So some plugins, you can get them for free. Others, when you get them, you need to pay a token. Some you can use part of it for free. But if you want to enjoy more function, you make some payments. We look at them. How do we get all of these things and get our website functioning? Buy your domain and your hosting. You type pcmart.ng.com/recommend/Namecheap, or you click on the buy now button of this banner on the page where this lesson is taking place. Now when you type this, it will bring you to this page, and this page is namecheap.com. The reason why we recommend you use that link or banner that was shown to you, pcmart.ng.com/recommend/Namecheap, is that it is a way of your own support towards PCMart knowledge base, because any purchase you make using that link, there is a percentage that comes to us, and we'll appreciate that a lot. Now, why do we recommend that you should get your domain and your hosting from Namecheap? The first thing about this company is that they give a very robust support when you need their assistance. As you grow along your career as a web developer, you will come across times when you need the support of your hosting company. And at such a time, Namecheap is very reliable. They will give you all the support. They will wait on you until you get whatsoever it is resolved. Then, when you look at their price, it is also very moderate. And then they don't give much fluctuating. Their services does not fluctuate much compared to some platform, even like GoDaddy and even some local hosting service providers. Additionally, you can get free SSL, which prevents hackers from invading your site. And of course, you can even get 1 year free domain with this company. So first of all, let's begin by signing up on this website, and you sign up by filling this form at the left top corner of the site. If you are using system, but if you are using phone, just check there. You will see the sign up sign, and then you come across a form similar to this to fill, and then for me, I already have an account, so all I need to do is to sign in into this account, and let's get business done. For our domain, you can see here is the domain, we have different options under domains here. Domain transfer, domain DNS. Well, what is more important to us here is domain name search. This is where we would find out. So let's click on it so that we can find out if another company is already using our business name, or which extensions we should use on it. Is it .com, .net, what? Okay, you can see different options here. We call all these extensions. .com is the king of all domain because it usually represent company. Then we have .net, .org, .io, all of these. And then we have some that are available for free, which we'll talk about that when we want to buy free domain. For now, let's buy our premium domain, because if you want your domain to end in .com, .net, .org, you need to pay. It is the most recommended though, but I'm still going to show you how you can buy domain for free. For our name search, I'm typing Best Brain Academy.com. Let's say .com. Yeah. Let's see if this will be available. Click search. Yeah. Okay. We can see different options here. It shows bestbrainacademy.com has been taken. So let's adjust this. So let's put edu.edu.com. Well, it says unsupported, so let's adjust it. Say .ng, not supported extension. Okay, so let's do something here. This let's say Best Brain Academy ng.com. Okay, this is available for $8.88. Let's adjust this a little. Say bestbrainacademyedu.com. This is also available, so we can also get it for $8.88. This is preferable. So what we'll do now is we'll add it to cart and we'll make a purchase of that. So with that in our cart, let's go and get our hosting. Click on hosting. You see click on shared hosting. Then you come to this place where you see different hosting packages. We have Stellar, Stellar Plus, Stellar Business. Under Stellar, you can host up to 3 websites. Even this 20 gigabytes SSD is enough for you to store a lot of files. Then Stellar Plus, you can host unlimited websites, unmetered SSD. And then in Stellar Business, you can you also enjoy cloud storage, auto backup, and 50 gigabyte SSD. So then all of the packages, they have these attached to them. But quickly, let me show you something. If you come up here and click on monthly, you see there is increase in price. Click on yes, you see 50% discount. Come to yearly, you have 45% discount. So let's click get started on this yearly package to bring you here. And then what we want to do now, we're going to make payment for the hosting and the domain. They are both of them are already in our cart. As you can see, $27.50 right here. So we'll click on add to cart, and then you make your payment. But what if you want to get a free domain? This time around, you click on hosting, and then you come here where you can just click on get started, let's say with Stella. Then you are going to do domain name search. So come down to here. Let's see. We now have Best Brain Academy. Now these are different options with which you can get for free. We have .font 0.00 per year, .host 0.00 per year, Best Brain Academy .online 0.00. You can keep scrolling to check .site, .press. If that is the extensions of, if these are your extensions, you prefer to use .store, .space. Depends on, you can get all of these for free. .tech, .website, .agency. These are all different extensions which, if you are comfortable using them, you can get them for free for the first year. But mind you, when you get them for free, the subsequent year you are going to be paying the amount stipulated on it there. And this is a very good deal anyway. And but don't think that when you want to make payment, you can, the extension will change. It's not that it's going to change from .online, for instance, to .com or .org. So if you are thinking of having .com, it means you are going to make use of premium, the paid package we have looked at earlier on. But if you are comfortable with these extending extensions, then you can get started with it. So which means that this is the ending part of your name continually. Even when you start making payment, it will remain .online. And this is still good. This is still good. Let's move on now. So you add to cart, and then you make the payment. Follow the usual procedure. I suggest you use GTB or Zenith Bank cards because they are good for online payments. So let's do something. Let's go to our dashboard right now and do some basic settings there. Well, this is how your dashboard will look like after purchasing hosting / domain. You have this place here where from here you can go to your control panel and all of that. But let's do something. Click on manage. Click on this manage. It will bring us to this place. We want to connect to our DNS. DNS means domain name server. So we'll connect the domain domain name system, the domain we just bought, we'll connect it. And you do that by we'll come down to where we have name server. Here we'll click on, we'll change it from Namecheap basic DNS. We'll change it to Namecheap web hosting DNS, and then we click on this tick mark to save it. And by so doing, our domain has been properly directed. So let's come back to our dashboard here. You will see something here. You see you have 15 days left to confirm your email. To avoid this stress that if you do not confirm your email used on this namecheap.com within 15 days, you may lose all that you have been doing since. So please let's resolve that right away. To get that resolved, come to your email, your inbox. You see this like 3 emails from Namecheap. This first one will help you to verify it on it. click on the verification link sent to you, get your email verified. Then let's go back. Now there is this email here with very important information about your hosting, about your control panel, your password that have been generated is sent here. I'm not going to show you the details of it because it is personal and private. Now let's head into our control panel. You type your domain name / cPanel, e.g. bestbrainacademyedu.com/cPanel, and then it will bring you to a place like this. Then you can input your username and password that has been sent, that you just copy from your email address, the email that I said I will not open to show you my own details. So when you input it, you log in, and then this is your control panel. So what we want to do right now, we want to install WordPress. And to install WordPress in your control panel, look for Subtitles app installer, click on it. Then it will open to this page. You click on WordPress, click on install, and then it will open this page where you need to edit some basic settings about your website. Instead of my blog, I will type the name of my website, which is Best Brain Academy. Then I will also need to edit the information about this site description here. Say we are a co-educational, that you were right. Yes. Okay, yeah. Residential, yes. School that embraces multi-diversity. Yeah, I think this is a good description. So what next is I'm going to change the username and the password that is here. Instead of admin, I'll change it to Best Brain, and then instead of the password that was there, I will create one that I will easily remember. Okay, I've created it here. So I will scroll down to go and install WordPress. You can see, okay. So I'll click on install, and you see WordPress is being installed on bestbrainacademyedu.com right now. So after that, I will need to log in into my WordPress dashboard. To log in, you type your domain /wp-admin, e.g. bestbrainacademyedu.com/wp-admin. Then it will bring you to this login page. You input the username and the password that you created while installing WordPress just now, and then you can log into your admin dashboard where you are going to be configuring a lot of things about the look of your website. So here is our dashboard, and what we are going to do right here, you see all of these things, we are going to try and make our dashboard look cleaner. And to do that, you click on this place, then you untick these. Yes, as you are unticking it, you see they are disappearing. Yes, by so doing, we have a cleaner dashboard so that we don't be confused. So this is your dashboard. Now we have this place here we call post. This is very important for bloggers and affiliates so that you can be creating content to draw attention. Then we have media. Media is where you upload, you can upload images, sound, videos, what have you in media. Then pages. Pages, we have different pages, home page, about us page, contact us page. Then we have comments where you monitor what people are saying on your website. Then under appearance, this is where you are going to be changing your theme, uploading theme, and all of that. But under it, we have plugin. You can add plugins by clicking on add new here, and then we can get plugins from this WordPress database, or from some plugins on the website of the author. And in that case, we are still going to look at how to get them. But for now, let's add some plugins from here. Come over to this place. We need Elementor. So we type Elementor. That's a plugin that we use to build pages or to make designing of pages. So you type Elementor to bring up different options. We are going to install this first, like the first one, Elementor add-ons, premium add-ons. Then we are going to also install Elementor kit. I think with this is okay for our functionality of designing of pages. Then also let's install a plugin for building contact form. In this case, WP form. You can use WP form. You can have contact 7, but I think WP form is okay for here. So we install this. Then we will need this particular project we are on. We are designing a school website. Before we activate all this plugin, we need to upload this plugin. It is not on the database here, so we need to go to the website of the author. And to do that, type pcmartng.com/recommend/weblizar. When you use this link, you are going to get this plugin at $40 instead of $50. That's an amazing discount. I know why I'm directing you to this site directly. You're going to see it on some other markets out there, but I can assure you this is directly from the author and it is the best price there. Optionally, you can click on this banner on the page where this lesson is taking place. You'll come to this page here, the home page of this, where you can get the plugin. In this place, type school management, click on search. You see different options. Come down to this school management application license here. So you click on quick buy. Then you are going to fill this form, supply your information. You can use card to pay. And you use the to checkout option so that you pay. As for me, I already have an account, so I'll just log in. And when you log in, you will see, once you have made your purchase, you will see the plugin here. So you just click on it to download. And then you can copy the license by clicking here. Now let's go back to our uploading of plugins. So this time around, you click here, upload, and then click on choose file. Then go to downloads, and then you can select the plugin that was downloaded, and then click on open. And then it is here, then you click on install now, and you get this installed on this website right here. So you see this is already installed successfully. So click on installed plugins. Then you can see all the plugins that have been installed here. Tick mark this place and click on activate, then apply. Yes, and then you see all the plugins activated together. So here we have it. all the plugins. You can see some of them here. Yes, WP form, the Elementor. Let's do something. Let's go and work on our theme a bit. Let's click here, and then this is where you can change theme. Now look at this. The name of the theme used to build this page. This website is storefront. Look at how it looks compared to this other one. This is Oceanwp. You can see the website is looking completely different from the other one. And what makes the difference is in this appearance is the theme. The theme used to build this one is storefront, while the one used to build this one is Oceanwp. These two themes are very good for maximum website performance. And in this particular tutorial, we are using Oceanwp. It gives you room for a lot of customization. On the other hand, storefront is very easy to set up, but the customization is not that versatile except you are using the pro version of it. And it is also very good when you are building an e-commerce such as pcmartng.com. So now let's add Oceanwp. Click on add new on theme here, and this page will come up where you can search for, just type Oceanwp here, and then we'll see to download. So what we'll do now is we'll click on install now. So it is installed. We'll activate it right away. For this other one that we don't need again, you can delete it. Then you will see this notice here that this thing needs this plugin Ocean Extra, so we are going to activate it. Then it also needs some other plugins, so let's come back to our plugin, click on add new, and then type Oceanwp. It will need this plugin Ocean Stick, yes, Ocean Custom Bar, and then Ocean Social Sharing. Yeah, with this, the theme will function very well, so we can activate this altogether. Now, we activate. Then let's do a quick setup of this theme. Click on Customize Wizard, then click on Get Started. Now you will see some templates here. Let me show you how this can look like. Now you see with this, if you download that template, this is how your home page will look like. You can edit, change some of the images on it. If this suits your kind of design, you just change one or two things there, but we don't need it. So click on skip step. So at this place, you can add your logo. Let's use this. Then you can, we already have this when we were installing WordPress. So we can change our primary color on the site. Let's assume this is okay. I think this is making sense. So the hover color is when cursor moves over a link. What color do you want it to change to? So that's your link hover color and all of that. So with this, we'll do more setup of this theme later, but let's just leave it like this for now. Back to our dashboard now. Yeah, clean up that. Okay, so let's just do an introductory. Let's just activate our school management software. Here, we need to input the license we'll copy from our dashboard to activate this. So I've activated mine. You can do that on your own. In the next series, we'll look more into how to set up this plugin, how to configure it if you are interested in designing a school website. It is not that technical, but just need to understand how to use one or two aspects of it. So, but this is the basic setting of it. Let's save this setting. And the continuation on this particular plugin will be the next series. Be sure to watch this short clip that follows immediately. Thank you.
Are you a businessman or woman? And you want to market your goods and services? Are you looking for a place where you can shop for quality goods and services and add value to your money? Are you looking for plan B where you can invest that little change and grow it to a million with smart work? Then Mart is a solution. Benefit of joining our multi-level marketing, free website design training, free app design training, free social media marketing training, free blogging training, earning from your personal sales, earning from that license. All trainings you can do with your smartphone. Call us on 0701235336 or you visit our menu at www.pcmartng.com. PC Mart, your market in your hands.